Hello and welcome to Mahara ePortfolio System. Mahara ePortfolio System is divided into three areas. Those are content, portfolio, and groups. And of course, since I'm the administrator of my Mahara install, the administration section, which is not visible to regular users. In the groups section, all the social things happen when you can be a part of a group and create a portfolio of several people together. The portfolio is the presentation part where users create pages and collections of pages and add certain information about them into separate pages, and then set who might see and when they might see certain page or collection. So with whom is it shared and who else. So different users, what they shared with us. And we have option to export or import certain data out of or into our portfolio. And there's a content area where user stores his information about himself, like contact information, general information, profile pictures, files they might upload, journal entries, resume entries, which look like that. And then their education, employment, achievements, goals and skills, interests, and so on. And of course, their notes, plans, and those are certain plugins which are not part of a core. And I want to show you my learning plugin, which I am developing or I have developed. This is the list of all the learnings of the user. With button new learning, a user might add a new learning here to the list. And for each learning, user might edit it or delete it. And there is a number of attachments attached to certain learning. Okay, let me show you, for example, let's edit chemistry. Here's the general section, which is visible when user adds a new learning, and we might add some information to it. So to track my chemistry knowledge and progress while I learn chemistry, for example, something like that. Let's add tags like periodic system, elements, and so on. And we could add a file, but I won't at this stage. Let's save that. And there are different tabs that represent different stages of learning. So like prior knowledge, setting goals, strategies of learning, evidence of learning, and self-evaluation. Each of those tabs contains a form with what you see is what you get, text box, and of course attachments for files or attachments that are related to that certain step in learning. In general, you have general attachments related to that learning in general, but in each of the steps you have separate attachments related just to that step of the learning. So we might edit that and save it, or add files and save it, and so on. And going back, here's the edited learning, and later on we could add that learning to a certain page we create, so it is available for others to see or to look at how is it going, what is our progress on certain learning or certain subject or subject area. Hope you enjoyed that presentation, and this is all for me.